Using Visa gift card on Call of Duty Mobile is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Visa gift card on Call of Duty Mobile. In order to do that, first of all, you need to add your Visa gift card into your into your Google Play. So for that, you just have to tap on your Google Play Store, and in your Google Play Store you have to tap on your profile, and in your profile you simply have to tap on the payment and subscription, and then you have to tap on payment methods. After tapping on payment methods, here you have to tap on add credit or debit card and put your card details right here. After adding that, what you have to do is you simply have to open up your Call of Duty Mobile. So let me just open it up, and in the Call of Duty Mobile you just have to select the amount of points that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy these points, so you just have to tap on that, and afterwards the payment options will pop up. You just have to tap on the gift card you added, and after that's how you'll be able to use your Visa gift card for payment. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.